Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, Today's Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken gizzard stew. So here I have my lovely chicken gizzard which I washed with some fresh lemon. As you can see, it's all clean and tidy. So to start with our ginger blend, in my blender I have some Scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic, some onions, some cloves, some rosemary, some aniseed, and I added some Maggi cubes as well, and I'm adding a bit of water to blend. So on a medium-high heat, we're going to put our washed chicken gizzard in our pot to cook. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to comment down below if you want me to share any new recipes. Thank you. So here I added some fresh lemon juice. If you don't have that, you can use the bottled one as well, or apple cider vinegar. And I added some curry powder, some salt, bay leaves, star anise, and I'm adding some fresh white onions. You can use any onion of your choice as well. I added some all-purpose seasoning, some Maggi seasoning, and I added some smoked paprika, and I added a little bit of water, not too much water because the gizzard has so much water in it. And here I'm adding my ginger blend, which I divided into two, and we're going to use the other one for later. I'm going to cook this for about 30 minutes. So our chicken gizzard has been boiling away for about 20 minutes now, and you can see the amount of water around our chicken gizzard. So please don't add so much water to your chicken gizzard when you are cooking it. And now as you can see, our chicken gizzard is ready and has been cooking for about 30 minutes now. So you're going to transfer it into a bowl, and please keep the stock. Don't throw the stock away. It has so much flavor. So now we're about to start with our chicken gizzard stew. So on a medium-high heat, I added some sunflower oil to my pot. You can choose to use any oil of your choice. And we're going to transfer our gizzard into our pot to fry it for about 10 minutes to get that caramelization around it. It also adds so much flavor to our stew. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to comment down below. Thank you. So as you can see, our chicken gizzard has been frying for about 10 minutes, and this is what we are looking for, that perfect caramelization. And you're going to use the same pot for our stew. So I added some white onions which I sliced, and I added half of my ginger blend as well, and we're going to cook it for about 2 minutes. So our ginger blend and onion has been cooking for about 2 minutes now, and this kitchen smells so good. You need to try this recipe out. So here I added some tomato paste, some smoked paprika, some bay leaves, some star anise, and I added a bit of curry powder and all-purpose seasoning, and we are going to leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. So whilst our chicken gizzard is cooking, we're going to have our tomato and pepper blend. So in my blender here I have some red bell peppers, some carrots, some fresh tomatoes, some spring onion, some white onion, some green chillies, and some Scotch bonnet. You can make it more spicy if you want, and I added some oil to blend. So now our chicken gizzard and our tomato paste has been cooking, and this place smells so good. So we added our pepper and tomato blend, and we're going to mix everything together to cook it for about 15 minutes. And at this stage, make sure you cover your pot because you don't want to burn yourself. So as you can see, our pepper and tomato blend has been cooking, and you can see that extra oil on top. And at this stage, that's when you add your chicken gizzard stock. It's so packed with so much flavor, and we're going to leave it to cook for 10 minutes. So now our chicken gizzard stew has been cooking for about 10 minutes now, and I'm telling you, this chicken gizzard is packed with so much flavor, and you know, all the stew has infused into our chicken gizzard and it tastes delicious. So at this stage, I'm going to add some fresh nutmeg, and I'm adding some spring onion and some white onion just for garnish. We're going to leave it for about 2 minutes. Now our stew is ready. I'm telling you, you need to try this recipe out. Please bring your plate of rice or yam and come for some gizzard stew. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Bye bye.